Don't miss this 2011 Chevrolet HHR. It's equipped with transmission and features a silver ice metallic exterior. With 36,189 miles, you'll want to take this car home. Make a great choice today. Contact us and see this car firsthand.